How to fix WhatsApp voice message or audio problem. So hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the audio problem in less than 50 seconds. All what you have to do is just don't close the WhatsApp app and then go to the settings, go to apps, and then click on apps again, go to WhatsApp between all the apps that you have on your phone, and now on this page you will find the app informations. Just click here on open by default, click on open supported links in the app and make sure to make it always allow. Go back, click here on power usage details, go down, click on this force stop option and go back again. Now last thing you have to do, click on force stop here, and now all what you have to do is just reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. If it didn't, then you have to change the Wi-Fi or the network that you are connected to. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.